This video was sent to me. It's a short video. The cop was aggressive, rude, and wrong about how the law works. Let's check this out. I'll see you at the end.
I do, sir.
What I tell you to do? What I tell you to do?
I believe I'm in my rights.
Okay, start walking. Okay, you're loitering. Start
I'm
walking.
loitering?
Yeah, start walking.
I'm going to walk back and forth.
You're going to walk that way or you're going to be arrested for obstructing.
I'm not obstructing.
What I tell you to do?
I got the whole thing on film. I'm not obstructing.
What did I tell you to do? Explain. No, don't put that in my face.
Please don't touch me.
Then don't put
I
that
haven't
in my
committed
face.
any violations.
Then don't put that in my face. You understand? Do not put it in my face. Start walking or you're going to be arrested for obstructing. Do you understand?
I am absolutely not obstructing.
You're in this doorway. You shouldn't be here.
I'm not in the doorway.
You were in the doorway.
I am not in the doorway.
Then start walking then. Okay?
Here's the doorway.
Let me see your ID.
What do you need my ID for?
I want to see your ID. Okay?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
You may have warrants on you. I want to see your ID.
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
Are you obstructing me?
I'm not obstructing
Then
you.
let me see your ID then.
Do you suspect me of committing
Sir,
a crime?
I'm going to arrest you if you don't give me your ID.
If
okay?
you suspect me of
I don't
committing
have to
a crime.
suspect you of anything. Okay?
Yes, you do.
Turn up your hands on your back.
All right. Just so you know, this is being live streamed to YouTube as we talk.
His name is Corporal Brian Jones of the Charleston, West Virginia Police Department. He arrested me and took me to the jail where I stayed overnight until I saw a judge in the morning. I was released on my own recognizance and had court a couple months later. When I was arrested, I was legally carrying a firearm which was confiscated and taken into evidence. I met with a public defender at the first hearing, and the first thing he said was, "I can probably get you out of this with just probation," which blew my mind until he showed me the police report. It was full of bullshit about me being loud, getting close, and all kind of lies about me obstructing. The defender didn't even know that I had a recording, and after I showed him, he was shocked. He immediately left me in this room and went to talk to the prosecutor. When he came back, he said they want to offer me a pre-trial diversion. He really pushed me into taking that, so I did. After seeing the judge at taking the diversion, I was approached by the prosecutor and who I think was the city attorney. They apologized to me for what happened and told me that CPL Jones was going through a hard time in his personal life, and he was sorry for the way things were handled. They also told me that he was just about to retire. Of course, it was all bullshit. First off, when exactly did the talk to him for him to say that? Also, he was definitely not retiring and was still working for the department last time I looked. They were absolutely just trying to get me to forget about everything. Anyway, I really wish I knew then what I know now. I would have pushed to hold everyone that was involved accountable. Here's a picture of the cop and my mugshot with the arrest ID. I don't know if you can look anything up from that. Also, if you're going to put any of this in a video or anything, please only use my first name. I'd prefer to stay anonymous for now. Please reach back out if you have any more questions. I really appreciate you taking the time to hear me out and maybe even shine some light on these assholes. Also, thank you for everything you do. It's people like you that are doing the work to expose corruption and ultimately protect all of our rights and freedoms. I truly thank you for that.